On top inside Edo today, we go use level wey Edo get on top culture to catapult tourism matter. Obaseki na im tok dis one. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don tok say Edo State government go use the opportunity of say Edo na the center of culture and civilization take carry tourism go far and to take attract investment enter art culture for Edo. He tok say him administration dey do ogbonge tins to promote the rich cultural heritage wey Edo get. Governor tok dis one wen im dey deliver speech for the second phase of Benin Arts Exhibition wey dem title Art of Benin Kingdom Complementing Coronation and Igwe Festival wey na National Gallery of Arts and Federal Ministry of Information and Culture na organize am for Benin City. Commissioner for Arts, Culture, Tourism and Diaspora Affairs Honourable Osaze Osemige Ero na im go represent Governor Godwin Obaseki, and e tok say Edo na the center of culture and Edo State get rich cultural heritage wey no other place get for the whole world. E yarn say anybody no go fit talk about history and culture for Naija make dem no mention Benin Kingdom. E yarn say plenty things don happen since 3 years to take develop arts, culture and tourism sector for Edo State as Obaseki administration get ogbonge plans to bring back cultural sector for the state. The commissioner come still tok say Edo State government take culture as ogbonge tin, and dat na why dem dey repackage Edo Festival of Arts and Culture Edo Fest wey dem celebrate for 18 local governments for 2017 and 2018 for Edo State. E tok say dem don inaugurate cultural clubs for secondary schools for Edo State and dem dey do exhibitions and dem don support other schools to help dem exhibit their artworks for Edo State. Na here we see dis ogbonge updates reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Governor Godwin Obaseki don yarn am say im go use the level wey Edo get on top culture take catapult tourism matter go far. Make una know say dis ogbonge updates wey dey reach una so na T Live Media na im dey carry am dey come give una. Follow and like us for Facebook and Twitter for T Live Media. And una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.